Hey guys, welcome to my Kids Our World, and today I thought I would do like a sort of fix-up video today because I really wanted to do this because my sister is graduating. And for those of you who do not know my family that well, the sister who got me Cloudy Luna Madison. So yeah, I love her. We are very close. So I was like, let's do a video for her, in honor of her. So I found my graduation Barbie, and I was like, wow, she's a hot mess. Let's fix her up. So let's go. The Hallway of Doom. The thing that will end you all. Oh no, wait, it's just the bathroom. Oh look, there's my dog. There's my other dog. He's locked up because he can't stop whining and it's annoying. And then he's just here looking cute. I know when he looked at the camera it was creepy, but okay, I'm just gonna set my camera here. And here is our doll. She has what I think is the classic sort of like doll hair like that Barbie usually uses. It's not nylon. I'm pretty sure it's like what it's the same one that they use on Monster High. I know what it is, but I forgot the name. My brain just forgot the name. But yeah, the shoes I think I gave them red bottoms because I was obsessed with red bottoms at this point. So I'm just gonna put those shoes to the side. But yeah, the dress is really cute too, but we're gonna have to remove that if we don't want to get it wet and covered in water, because this requires water. And for those of you who are curious what the Model Muse doll body looks like, because you never got a Model Muse doll, legs and the body are kind of off, and the arms are off too. I like the Model Muse body. Like, I think it looks really pretty. And definitely goes with the sort of Model-esque look. And it's taller than normal Barbies, I'm pretty sure. Which also goes with what models are usually like. Models are usually more thin, tall women. I mean, look at Kendall Jenner. She's taller than her sister, all of her sisters, and she's a model. At least that's what I've noticed. Most models are tall people. We're gonna have to take this hat off. It would be impossible to ever get it back on, but that's too bad. We need to fix her hair. That's the main problem we need to deal with. And hey, at least if I ever did a stop motion, I could always be like, wee! Which I feel like I should for the next time for when I graduate middle school. Because, because when I did my first graduation, that was when I graduated from the 5th grade, so. No, I did it at the 6th grade because I didn't have my channel until the 6th grade. The February of my first year at middle school, but point is, I made it because I made it through the first year of middle school. I graduated. And don't mind my dog, he's just scratching at the kennel because he loves the other one. But I'm not letting him out because he's annoying and he's just gonna start walking everywhere, non-stop. And he's just gonna go. So imagine that, but put the volume up to 100. Put it on your speaker and put that volume up to 100. And record that clip. And then have it on a loop. Imagine how annoying that would be. So now you know my. I forgot to bring a brush, but my mom left her brushes here, so we'll just use those. So here is our doll nail. Kind of mildly forgot how to do this, and now I remember. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, here I'm just showing off the products that I use, and I'm putting in shampoo, and we're just gonna lather that in real good. Where's that conditioner? It's shampoo. And here's the conditioner. I'm not talking very much in the video overall because I wanted it to be sort of like an ASMR sort of video. Alright, so here she is, finished. She's on a rainbow high stand. And it actually looks really good, surprisingly. It's close to falling off, but that's fine. She's not gonna stay on the stand forever. This is just for now, because... But yeah, I managed to get the hat back on without getting, like, sewing it onto her head. Basically grabbed a rubber band and hit it on, rubber banded on, without making it look as if it's rubber banded on. And then she has her cap and gown, her little sash, her little diploma, her red bottoms. Here you can see red bottoms. And she has her little cute dress with her cute little print underneath. And her hair is pretty nice. It's still damp. Still beginning to feel a little drier and softer, so that's good. But yeah, congratulations to my sister who is graduating on Tuesday. Of when I'm recording, I'll go to my calendar. But yeah, Tuesday on the 13th. So whenever this video comes out, if my sister's watching, just know that I love you and I'm so proud of you for making it to graduation. Oh my god, my sister's an illegal adult. OMG. Like, so outrageous. She has dimples. I didn't notice that. How am I just noticing that? But yeah, that's about it. That's all I have to say. Hope you enjoyed just me watching it. I did not want to like keep stopping. I just wanted to go through it and just do a just to speed it up, and then you could all just relax, watch it, and just enjoy it and relax. I just wanted to do that because at this time of year we all just want to relax, you know. So I gave it a more relaxed feel. At least in my opinion, it's more relaxed. But yeah, that's all about I have to say. So, congratulations to the year of 2022. You are all graduates of whatever school my sister goes to. Whee! Lol. We're just gonna pretend that doesn't exist though. Bye.